Good evening and welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. We are out here because I have time to deal with digging up at least potatoes today. So, we're going to see what happens. I should probably grab... It rained last night / today, so this is going to be a little wet. So maybe I should grab a shovel of some kind. No, we can get dirty. I don't have a problem getting dirty. So, we are looking at the potatoes that I planted were quite small. They weren't this small, but this is my first time really growing potatoes. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe none of this will work out. I don't know. But I think these are like fingerling potatoes and they're not attached anymore. So I would think they're good to go. I have my root apron on, so we're gonna dump them in there and then we'll have to go in and put them on a piece of cardboard or something to dry them out, cure them. And then we should have some homegrown potatoes. It'll be a lot more fun to use these, be able to use them when we get the house functional. But we will do what we can when we can. Look at a little baby. That's okay though. I will cut them up and use them in mashed potatoes, or I can eat my fair share of potatoes. So, I don't think I have to go any deeper than that. But, so there we go. We'll leave the stems here. That way, whatever the stem took will go back in and we'll move on. I do also have all this wild onion and garlic growing. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research and probably talk to some people around here and see if that's something that we can, if it's like an edible thing or not. I don't know. But look at that. Very cool. I've never grown potatoes before. This is really cool. I love potatoes. I've just never grown them before. I think potatoes are like their own food group. You have your own potato stomach. Okay, so I'm not getting very many potatoes out of each one, or off of each one, but this one, I have like 3 or 4 different kinds that I planted, because you can see the plants have gotten bigger. And those bugs, those potato beetles, did come around and they ate most of the leaves, but then more leaves started forming. So, I don't know. I don't know what to think about the whole situation. Banowie? Banowie? I don't know about this either. It's very green. I think I'll just leave those to decompose. Hey, those are pretty big. Those are nice. I'm happy with those. Very cool. This is fun. Playing in the dirt and such. I think we get away from playing in the dirt too early in life. It's fun to play in the dirt. Wow, look at those. Those are pretty big too. Look at those. That's fun. I'm cool with that, I think. Little ones. I think these were small potatoes, but something you're gonna see around here is a lot of like, what do they call them? Heirloom variety things. So they might be a little different than what you're used to, but I'm trying to keep closer to healthy. And I feel like heirloom varieties is a start. Hey, we got red ones. Wow, look at those. Those are fun. I like the different colors. And I'm one of those people that prefers my mashed potatoes with the skins in them. I don't know. I feel like you get a lot of nutrition out of the skins, and by taking the skins out, you're losing out on something that I don't know. I like the skins. Wow, that's a good size one. Dogs are over there playing. That's a good size one too. This hole is getting really deep. Can you see this? This hole is actually the deepest that I've dug so far. And there's more. There's another one right there. There it is. It's a good one too. It's a good size. There's more. Oh, wow. Here, maybe I can I put you down farther so you can see this? Look at this. All those people that said nothing would ever come of this. Look at. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay, so we'll put this all back. Pick a weed. Very cool. Wow. The hands of a gardener. All right. Oh, where is our next one? There. All right. So, word to the wise. Learn from me and don't put all your vining stuff next to each other. This was a very bad idea. I didn't even really do that, but the spaghetti squash and everything has just migrated terribly. Oh, I apologize. I should have been paying attention. Alright, maybe you'll stay there. Look at this. More red ones. Exciting. That's fun. I was kind of worried about them getting eaten or something bad happening to them because of all the damage from the Colorado potato beetles, but looking at it now, I probably could have left them a little longer and they would have been just fine, but I didn't know. Like I said, first time growing potatoes. I erred on the side of caution, and I'm okay with that decision. Now I know for next time, And next year, hopefully, we rock it. Making our own compost, and we're gonna be putting chicken stuff down. And wow, do I have a terrible issue with melons. Good thing I have a neighbor that loves watermelon. Wow. We are also gonna have spaghetti squash. My bad. They're all tangled up in everything. Wow. Oh, sorry. Wind is not being friendly. Okay, what do we got here? Some more red ones, it looks like. Huh. That's a good size one. I will have to look back at what I grew, but I think this was a small variety. So this would all make sense that these are smaller, almost fingerling-like potatoes. So we're gonna put those back, try to keep them on the bed so that we don't mess up our wood chips. Do we have more potatoes down here somewhere? I don't think so. Okay. So then this bed has potatoes in it. Wow. Melons, and more melons. I have to figure out how long melons last so I know how many of them I need to give away or sell, I guess. Wow, look at that. That's pretty good. I'm impressed. Alright, so I think that one, they all came up with it. That's cool. Okay, lay that down and move on. So I think learning from this year, more potatoes next year for sure, and maybe some bigger varieties. I don't know if that's a thing. If these are just fingerling, maybe we go with something bigger than fingerling, but we'll see. Now this one got really big, but this one got the brunt of the damage. So we're gonna see how this works. Oh wow, look! Look at this! See how big those are? And damaged, like I was concerned about. So this one's got a pretty big hole in it. This one was a large potato and it's got holes in it. Darn it. Well, we have some. Darn. Should have dug this up when I first noticed the beetles. Darn it. Oh, that's a pretty big one with no damage to it. Darn. Another one, and another one. It's a good one. Hey, Mama! Hi! There's another one. Oh. Look at this. Alright, so that pretty much takes care of that one. That's disappointing. Oh well. Learn and move on. So, we need to cover them better next year. Big weed. So, cover them next year for Colorado beetles and there we have it. That's a good amount of potatoes for the first year. I am not upset with that at all. I'm actually okay with that. Now, melons. We have the melons. So, we can also put our beans to bed. Wow. Okay. This is where it gets overwhelming. This is where it happens. So, spaghetti squash all the way over here. Almost tripping on watermelons. You see right here? There's a watermelon and a watermelon. Okay. So, wow. I should probably try and get into the sweet potatoes. How in the world are we gonna do this? Okay. Alright. Here we go. We're gonna try and do this. If anything comes of this flick before we I actually have no idea. Wow, zucchinis that I never even saw. I have no idea how this is gonna work. I'm gonna end up coming up with something I don't want to come up with, aren't I? You guys have all got to be just laughing at me. get anything out of here. What is this? Oh. Hi, Banners. I can't find them.
Huh.
I found my potatoes,
Yeah,
but the sweet potatoes are difficult too. You need a key? Do you need a key? You need a key?
No, I can put this in the red too.
Okay.
Anything I can do to help?
I don't know. You want to help dig? Not really. I'm trying to get... Wow. KK almost tipped over the YouTube people. Did I not get any sweet potatoes out of this? That would be very disappointing. Alright, well, I don't know. I don't know what to say. What are you doing? Okay, so, wow, this has turned into, alright. My problem is I don't want to move, I don't want to cut things back because I don't want to, you know, not all the spaghetti squash has turned yellow. So I don't want to move or break anything that would just cause the spaghetti squash to just die. But, alright, well, I think I am going to continue on this route for the night. I think you guys I've taken up enough of your time. I will let you know tomorrow how this went. On your way back down the hill, if you wouldn't mind, I have KK. I'm not 100% sure where Bentley went. If you find him, if you could send him back. That'd be awesome. I appreciate y'all. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that little bell notification button thing. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to hang out with me. And I really do appreciate y'all.